Want to know how to create an observation in ImplantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply head towards identify.plantnet.org and you should be provided with this interface right here. And make sure you are logged. So once you have done all of that, on the top right side, you should be saying create. That should be right beside my data. So you can just simply select it easily. So once you have selected that, here you should be provided with two options. One is observation and another is group. So you can just simply select observation right here. So once you have selected observation, here you can see it's just basically identifying but in an advanced way. So you can just simply select up to 4 images. So you can just simply search images through your downloads. You can just simply see and identify the images just like before. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.